Hey there, beautiful people, and welcome back to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you're here because today we're talking about something that most of us overlook, but is absolutely essential: keeping your smile fresh and your gums healthy. If you've ever struggled with traditional floss tearing, slipping, or just being plain frustrating, you'll want to stick around for this. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a tip that makes your beauty routine easier and more effective. We're taking a closer look at the Plackers Twin-Line Dental Flossers in Cool Mint flavor. This dual-action flossing system promises 2x the clean with Super Tuffloss technology. Each pack contains 75 flossers, designed to remove trapped food debris without stretching, shredding, or breaking. On top of that, they feature a Flippick, a fold-out dental toothpick for those hard-to-reach spots, and a QuickFix grip for better control. They even come in a sure zip seal for easy storage at home or on the go. So how did they perform in real life? I've been testing them over the past week, and I have to say, the design really does make a difference. The twin-line floss feels sturdy and surprisingly gentle on the gums, slipping between teeth smoothly without snagging. The QuickFix grip gives you that extra control, which makes maneuvering around tricky areas, like the back molars, much easier. And the fold-out Flippick? Game changer for those occasional stuck bits. I even tried them while traveling, and having them in the resealable pack made it super convenient. No fuss, no mess. Now there are definitely pros and cons here. The strengths are clear. The Tuffloss material is durable, the grip feels comfortable, and the dual-action system really does reach spaces other flossers might miss. I also appreciate the mint flavor. It leaves your mouth feeling fresh immediately. On the downside, if you have extremely tight teeth, you might need a little extra patience to get the floss between certain areas. And while the pack is travel-friendly, it's a bit bulkier than single-use options if you're packing light. When it comes to value for money, these flossers hit the mark. You get 75 flossers per pack, and the dual functionality means fewer pieces used overall. Compared to other premium dental flossers, Plackers offers a solid balance of durability, convenience, and performance at a reasonable price. If you're looking for alternatives on a budget, simple single-line flossers can work, but they won't give you the same thorough clean or extra Flippick feature. I also want to highlight that the build quality is excellent. The floss itself is resilient, the handle is sturdy, and the resealable packaging keeps everything hygienic and organized. For long-term use, I don't see any issues with the flossers wearing out prematurely. The materials feel made to last. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Overall, Plackers Twin-Line Dental Flossers deliver on their promise of an easy, effective, and convenient flossing experience. They're ideal for anyone who struggles with traditional floss tearing, wants extra gum protection, or simply likes having a quick, fresh mint clean at home or on the go. Thank you so much for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've used these flossers, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And remember, the link to grab your own pack is in the comments or description box. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.